There's Ben trying to roll over. Here he goes.
Maybe not.
Oh, but he's holding on to his toy, so he can't do it. Oh, there he goes. Look at that. Oh. He's got to let go of his toy, then he can probably do it.
Today will be August the 17th, 1 month before, or 1 day before his 3-month birthday.
He's going for it. Look at those legs moving.
We'll see if he does it. I don't know if he'll do it again.
Whoa! That was pretty good, wasn't it?
He likes himself too much to roll over.
We'll move the mirror down so that he can... Oh, he's thinking about it again. There he goes. There he goes. Nope. Maybe not. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, so close. Oh, he's got legs up. He's going for it. Oh, so close. Come on.
Buddy, come here, boy. Come here. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy.
That was Buddy trying to get in the picture.
Yeah.
I think he moved the mirror the wrong way.
Oh.
See if he'll go for the fish. The little, that one.
Hit
Yeah.
Ben. No, it's too hard.
Here you go, boy.
We'll try again later.
Wait.
Wait, no!
Wanna go first?